Are you cruising into either Tokyo or Yokohama? We will show you how you can visit 5 of Tokyo's iconic sites. We'll show you how in just 10 minutes. Good morning from Yokohama. We arrived at 5:45 this morning.
It was early.
Yeah, and temperatures are actually really nice. We are going to be hiding here tonight. We're staying tonight. That was not originally intended, but there's a typhoon out there. So
yes,
once again, outrunning weather.
An itinerary change, so we're going to skip a port. What's the name of the port we're skipping?
Omakaze, I think.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, so but I guess tomorrow is a public holiday as well, so we won't be.
Yeah, so we're actually kind of pleased about this because this will give us a chance, since we're going into Tokyo all day, we'll be able to, when we're done with that walking tour, we'll be able to spend some time here in Yokohama. We didn't know that we were going to be able to do that, so for us, it's a good thing. So we're happy about that.
So we hired our guide off of Viator. There were 6 of us that went in together from the cruise. It was $80 per person for a 7-hour day, which we thought was pretty reasonable. He met us right in the cruise terminal, which is right in front of the cruise ship there. And we started the walk down the hill and around the corner.
Artwork here in the train station is just stunning. He's saying it's representative of Yokohama Pier. We are in what's the name of this particular train station? Yokohama. So it's right, 10-minute walk from the cruise port. And we have met our guide. His name is Taka, and he is hilarious. I think we are going to have a great day. Yeah. So we already got our Suica cards loaded on our phone, and we're at the little spot where people can buy a physical card, and we're going to be on the train in a minute. So, fun stuff. Yeah.
Yokohama Bay Stars play up here, a baseball team here in Japan.
So we're on our first train ride into Tokyo. It did require a couple of transfers, and to be honest, I'm not sure that we would have made it if we were by ourselves. So I'm very glad we had a guide with us as we were taught the train system throughout the day.
Got out of the train in Tokyo Station, downtown Tokyo. Very large train station. He said it's much bigger than Central Station in New York.
From here, we started the approximately 700-meter walk, about 10 minutes that it took us to get over to the Imperial Palace Gardens. Somebody's telling that swan to scratch itself. We did see a robot lawnmower. So Wadakura Fountain Park has 2 wonderful looking fountains. There is a Starbucks right here as well, and it's culturally not good to walk and eat or drink, so get your coffee and come out here and enjoy the fountain area. Right across the street is the entrance to the gardens of the Imperial Palace.
So these large stones were put here about 450 years ago under the rule of the last samurai. They're put here to keep out intruders.
June time frame, Iris, June, July.
Iris.
And over there, there's a small pond. You can find many koi fish, very colorful koi fish, all Japanese guys.
It's beautiful.
So
in April time frame,
large bonsai trees.
Cherry trees.
Oh,
So
cherry blossoms.
Very cherry blossom. We can enjoy cherry blossom. That's right, April.
They don't last very long. There's the koi.
Our guide Taka jokingly said this was their Niagara Falls, but it's very small.
There's a much quieter area of the gardens on the east side that highlight these bamboo trees. In Japanese culture, bamboo represents resilience, purity, and prosperity, as it's one of the 3 friends of winter alongside pine and plum because it stays green all year round.
A prefecture is equivalent to a state, and each prefecture has a tree. In this garden, there are 47 prefectures.
A little tip about Japanese culture. Can you see how neatly everyone else is lining up to the left here? Some parts of the country it's on the right, but follow suit. Everyone is very polite here.
I thought it was interesting that the kiosks in the train would tell you what car you were on and also tell you how many minutes it was to the next stop and even a few stops ahead. These Japanese trains are impeccable for their punctuality.
Another note on Japanese culture, it was fascinating. There was a young family who had a child, maybe 4 years old, and when Doug boarded the train, they insisted that he, as an older person, take their seat. It was the first time Doug felt like a senior citizen. Taka walked us through a traditional Japanese mall. As you can see, you can find everything here from shoes to produce to dinner to even a suit. It is unbelievable. Even a dentist, as a matter of fact. He pointed out there's a lot of other services type offerings in here. Next up, our guide said it was time for lunch, so we went here in Asakusa to a restaurant called Tanaka Sobaten.
Order here and then pay, then you got to get back in line and they'll come and collect your ticket, make your ramen, and hopefully by the time your ramen's ready, there'll be a spot to sit down. This is my card for the spicy ramen. It's $10.50, about $7. All right, so Leah got the
normal
standard ramen.
standard ramen.
I got the spicy one. Looks delicious.
The ramen was absolutely fantastic and piping hot. I will say, culturally, you are supposed to do your honest best to finish whatever food was there.
Yeah, the young couple to the left of us and the guy to the right of us, they all finished their ramen. We got about at the same time in about half the time it took us because I'm not used to eating ramen really fast.
The radio tower. And the radio tower is the tallest in the world. So it was made 2012, and after that it keeps the Guinness record as the tallest. But all the tower is number 3. Dubai and Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, number 3. But the radio tower is the world tallest.
Okay.
And the middle one, the building, that's a...
Another iconic hotspot in Tokyo is the Sensoji Temple. It's Tokyo's oldest and most visited Buddhist temple, founded in 628 AD. It is not too far from the ramen location, and it was great to be able to be here, but it is Sunday and it is very busy.
On the path back to the temple, you'll find all kinds of things to purchase, anything from handcrafted fans, samurai trinkets, and classic Japanese sweets. It's really quite an experience. I normally don't like just shopping around, but this was a lot of fun. Very nice. Temple's in the back.
So we just went through the second gate, and this is the main temple area. It's packed.
Yeah, there's a
So many people.
gazillion people
A
here.
gazillion is about right.
It's a Sunday and nobody's at work.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Here you go.
good day to come. I guess maybe not though. Throughout the day, we kept seeing people dressed as geishas, and here's a spot that you can rent your own.
Another iconic spot in Tokyo is the Shibuya Scramble, which happens right outside Shibuya's train station. So this was another train ride away. At max, about 3,000 people crossed the street at the same time. I know, call us crazy, but since we saw this on a couple different YouTube videos, we just had to take part. Expensive
Here we go.
Because people, that is, I don't know if it's the biggest, but it's, oh yeah.
That's the one that you see on the
Or dancing in the street, that's cool. I got you.
I thought Leah was going to do cartwheels.
No,
when we
I'm
came
not
across
doing
it.
cartwheels.
She
Nobody
said
would want to see that.
too many people to do the cartwheels. So.
Too many people to do much of anything here. But you can say you did it.
Yeah, now we say we've crossed the Shibuya crossing.
All right.
So
Okay.
This is the famous Hachikō dog
From the movie.
from the movie who came and waited at the station every day.
Every day for his owner.
For years after his owner had died.
From Shibuya, it was about a 30-minute ride back to the Yokohama port. We did talk to another guest who went, she paid Ubers to go to Shibuya on her own, and she paid over $270. So, good Lord, don't do that. The trains are very cost effective. That's a wrap on Tokyo.
Tokyo. We thought maybe we'd walk around Yokohama when we got back, but we're a little bit.
It's been a long day. Good day.
8-hour tour.
Taka was an amazing tour guide, and we'll put his contact information in the description. So if you do have a port day in Yokohama, he'll come meet you here and take you into Tokyo and customize a day however you want. So we had fun. So
please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because next up is Kobe.
We got another sea day tomorrow and then Kobe. So yeah.
So we'll see you then.
Thanks everybody.